Good morning everyone. First, let us to introduce ourselves. I'm Jonathan Isan Kusuma, presents number 18. I'm here as a host for a PADZPODZ episode 1.
Hi, I'm Wafdan Dakia, number 28. I'm here as an expert in high-performance computing.
Hi, my name is Alifian Fendio Katama, person number 2, and I'm here as computational scientist who use supercomputer to study everything from climate change to particle physics.
And hello, my name is Christopher Profu Capriano, presence number 7. I'm here as a researcher who use supercomputers to study the structure and the function of proteins.
And welcome to PADZPODZ episode 1. Welcome to the podcast everyone. Today we are going to talk about the topics that often in the news but rarely explained in depth. A supercomputer. I'm joined today with a panel of the experts who will help to us understand what the supercomputers are and what they are used for, the how they are changing the world of the scientific research.
Hi, I'm an expert in high-performance computing and I'm excited to be here.
I'm a computational scientist who use supercomputer to study everything from climate change to particle physics.
And I'm a researcher who use supercomputers to study the structure and the function of proteins.
Great, thanks for joining us. So let's start with the basics. What is a supercomputer and how is it different from the regular computer?
Well, a supercomputer is a computer that is optimized for performing massive amounts of calculation very quickly. They are used for things like weather forecasting, modeling protein structure, and even simulating entire galaxies.
Exactly, supercomputer have tens of thousands of processors that work together to do calculation really fast, and they use a lot of memory to store all the data they need for the calculation.
And they can use petabytes of memory, which is thousands of times more than a regular computer.
Wow, that's a lot of computing power. How much do the supercomputer cost?
They can cost millions or even billions of dollars, depending on how powerful they are.
That's why a lot of companies are starting to use cloud-based HPC solution instead.
Cloud-based solutions let you use supercomputers over the internet without having to buy your own.
Interesting. So, what kinds of research can be done with the supercomputers?
There are a lot of different kinds of research that supercomputers are used for.
They are used for things like simulating weather patterns, predicting natural disaster, and designing new drugs.
And they are used in engineering for things like simulating fluid dynamics and designing new aircraft.
So fascinating. How do the supercomputers contribute to the scientific discovery?
Computers are essential for scientific discovery because they allow scientists to do calculation that would be impossible with regular computers.
Okay, for example, we use supercomputer to simulate the behavior of particle in a particle accelerator, which help us understand the fundamental laws of nature.
And we use supercomputers to study the structure and the function of proteins, which can help us design new drugs to treat disease.
Wow, so amazing. What do you think the future holds for the supercomputers?
I think we'll continue to see more powerful supercomputers in the future, which will enable us to do even more complex calculation.
And I think we'll see more and more companies and research institutions using cloud-based HPC solution to access supercomputing power.
Yes, and I think we will see more interdisciplinary research projects that use supercomputers to tackle complex problems in fields like medicine, engineering, and climate science.
Well, That's all the time we have for today. Thank you to our panel of experts for joining us and shedding some light on the amazing world of supercomputers. Thank you for listening our podcast today and see you in the next occasion.